Hey people, hope you guys doing great. I know it's been very long. Today, after a very long time, because of the COVID restrictions, we weren't going anywhere. But I'm planning on doing a travel log. Stay tuned guys, it's going to be really nice. I'm not going away from Joburg, so it's within the Joburg and it's a very nice place, and it's going to be very fun. My kid's going to like it, my wife's going to like it, and yeah. Stay tuned guys, thank you. Alright guys, we're almost there. We are here now. This is where we're going. It's Crocodile and Reptile Park. And a bit of games we have for the kids. There's a small ropeway that my daughter can enjoy. And yeah, stay tuned guys. Hello. Morning. Good, and you?
Welcome to Croc City. Hope you're going to have a good time and enjoy. This is the American corn snake. It's called a corn snake because their belly patterns look like natural corn. And it's a completely harmless snake. In the US, you find them on farms. Farmers like to have lots of snakes because they eat the rats and mice. So the beauty of a snake is that the diseases rats and mice have don't affect them. If a snake eats a rat with bubonic plague, the disease dies with it. Their purpose is to protect our environment. So this is a constrictor, no venom, and all he's doing is smelling and tasting. In the same way that a human experiences the world by sight and sound, they experience it by smell and taste.
You want to hold this switcher?
Yeah, it's okay. Switch you. Last time you had a bow on your...
You and I are just an interesting collection of warm scent molecules.
Is it going to choke you?
No.
No.
That's good.
Okay, we're going to put it on your neck then.
Good job.
This is a baby Nile crocodile, and this little one is a year old. They live up to 100 years, grow 6 meters long and weigh a ton. And at that size, they've grown 6,000 times heavier. If a human had that growth to mass ratio, you'd weigh 11 tons. You're welcome to hold him. I'll hold it with you. So if it bites, it'll bite me, so don't worry.
Maybe that's the big snake's home. Whoa, that's a very...
They are about as sweet and gentle a snake as you find. There's just no aggression in these ones. But it's a dumeral boa. If she did grab you now and she got a claws around your throat, you wouldn't get her off. But these snakes don't attack humans, period. If you're not in the mood to be handled, don't handle them. If the black mamba doesn't want you to clean the cage today, don't. Leave it till tomorrow.
All right.
Okay, these are American alligators. So if you go to places like Florida, Mississippi, and Louisiana, this is what you'll find. And those are African Nile crocodiles, and both groups are the same age. Alligators have a rounder jaw, and their teeth are more on the inside of the jawline. Nile crocodiles have a sharper V-shaped jaw, and their teeth are always on the outside. As alligators get older, they turn black. A Nile crocodile is a green-shaded yellow. Alligators live in freshwater. Nile crocodiles live in both fresh and salt. And alligators grow an average of 3 to 4 meters long. The Nile crocodile can grow up to 6 meters. And Nile crocodiles kill more. Now watch. During December and January, if you look at the crocodile and you toss the chicken, it won't even touch the ground. Now these are 9 years old. The females, the Nile crocodile is the second largest crocodile reptile on the planet. The biggest being the Australian saltwater crocodile. And the bony ridges on their backs are osteodermal plates. These are thin bones inside a crocodile's skin, and they're laced with blood vessels. Crocodiles lie in the sun. The bones get hot and then they circulate cold blood through it, in the same way that solar pipes heat water. These are 12 years old. So in crocodile years, the equivalent of children, of teenagers. Come on, guys. The female crocodile would lay an average of between 30 and 50 eggs every year. She digs a hole, lays her eggs, covers them up, and the eggs then incubate for 3 months. If the temperature of their eggs cools down, the eggs become female. If the eggs warm up, they become male. That's why crocodiles are so successful. The eggs at the top of the nest get heated by the sun. Males are always on top. Females are always on the bottom where the nest is at its coolest. Let's see if we get any interest. There you go.
It's clever, it knows.
There you go, gorgeous girl. This is the only started eating this one. These are between 40 and 60 years old.
Wow.
A Nile crocodile can live 100 years, and they never stop growing. Every year they get bigger, and they have the potential to grow 6 meters long and weigh a ton. Now imagine you were looking at a 6-meter Nile crocodile lying on the grass. It would be this big. At 6 meters, the tip of the nose would touch this pole, and the tail tip would reach all the way up to here. So from here to there, that's 6 meters long. And at that size, it weighs a ton. The thick neck is the muscles in a crocodile's jaw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it.
Leave it there.
This place serves the best pizzas in Joburg. So I've been here a couple of times before, and I really love it. And the menu is also really amazing. So they wanted to put the theme So the pizzas are like, Burmese. Burmese is a python. And then it's boomslang, tarantula, scorpio, and it's cobra, mamba, monitor lizard. These are the like a pizza namings, and they're really amazing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and ask chef to record the video while making a couple of pizzas, and then from there we go there. Alright guys, this is Oscar, a chef over here, and I'm just going to give us, so I was talking to you guys with regards to the menu, the naming convention. So like, they really are amazing. They did amazing pizzas, and Oscar's going to make our pizza, and then I'm going to do a recording for you guys. And as I mentioned, amazing chef. This guy prepares amazing pizzas in Joburg. I've had a couple of times, and this one, and that's the reason I wanted to make this video.
That's it, man. Okay. We enjoy your pizzas, guys. We love it. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Hi, chef. All right.
That's how we make our job of running our bases. So we do our bases. I'm done with my base. Okay? Then I put it down like this. Straight it like this. Then I took my cutter. And I cut it like this. This. That's my base.
Wow.
That's my base. Okay?
The perfect circle.
Yeah, this is good. Okay? That's all first. Okay? Okay? That's how I put my sauce for the crocodile. That's our sauce. That's our sauce. That's my cheese, little bit. To have the taste so that you can feel the cheese along the top.
Yum.
That's the mushrooms. That's my crocodile meat.
What is that, chef?
Crocodile meat.
It's crocodile meat, guys.
And I spread my crocodile meat.
So, chef, what's the taste? I know the taste. Tell the viewers, how does a crocodile taste? I feel like it's similar to like a chicken, but it's
crocodile meat. It's similar to chicken. It's in between fish and chicken, but it's a little bit chubby. Yeah. But
Cool.
It's very, very nice meat. That's it. And I put my cheese. Now I put my cheese. Then I add my garlic on top so that the garlic will get inside the pizza.
yum, yum, yum.
Yeah. Then after, see how I cut my onions.
Thinly sliced.
The strips one. And I put my onions like this. The reason why I'm putting the onions on top, so that the onions will smell nice, and the guys, it will go down the pizza, then will feel it inside. That's now. Then I'm done with my pizza.
Look at that, guys. That's amazing. Not even 2 minutes. Thanks, chef.
Done. Super.
Chef, how are we cooking this?
Our pizza, if you put them inside here, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes because it's very, very hot. Here, you put G-spot straight in the fire. So G-spot is all about 300 to 800, 380 to 400 degrees. Then on the other side, it depends, goes down until it's up to 250 degrees. Yeah.
So guys, it's a traditional pizza oven. It's wood fire pizza oven. It's gonna be tasting amazing. Okay guys, this is a traditional margarita. And this is monitor pizza, which got chicken, avo, mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes. Yeah. This is the one. It's crocodile. As you can see, there are a bit of crocodile. As chef mentioned, it is a bit of fishy and poultry, like chicken and fish. But it's really amazing.